Forthing V9, the luxury flagship model created by Dongfeng Liuzhou Motor. In the pursuit of excellence, Forthing V9 redefines the new standard of luxury traveling with its unique design language and cutting-edge technology. Every detail reflects the ultimate pursuit of quality. It is not only a means of transportation, but also a symbol of taste. Every detail shows the combination of craftsmanship and technology. Entering the car, Forthing V9 brings you the ultimate comfortable experience. Spacious space, exquisite materials, with intelligent technology configuration, make every trip a pleasure. Intelligent voice control system makes it easy for you to control everything. Whether it's navigation, entertainment, or vehicle settings, Forthing V9 responds instantly with just one word. The powerful powertrain gives Forthing V9 an unrivaled driving experience. Whether you are driving on city roads or at high speeds, it can provide you with surging power and stable control. Forthing V9 is equipped with a full range of safety systems, including active braking, lane keeping, blind spot monitoring, etc., to protect you and your family on the road. Even in adverse weather conditions, it maintains exceptional handling stability, offering peace of mind in any situation. Forthing V9 is not only a car, but also a partner in your life. It carries your dreams and happiness and accompanies you to every beautiful tomorrow. Forthing V9 defines the new realm of luxury. To learn more, please visit our website.